Cindy was walking down the street one chilly evening when she noticed a skinny kitten running after her. The little feline was pitifully thin, its fur matted and eyes watery. As Cindy continued to walk, she realized that the people around her were either squeamishly waving the hungry little thing away or passing by indifferently. Her heart went out to the tiny creature who seemed desperately in need of help. She couldn't leave the kitten all alone on the street, not when it was clearly unwell. The kitten was sneezing nonstop, and it looked frail and fragile. Cindy knew it was dangerous to bring an ill kitten into her apartment, but she couldn't turn her back on this little soul. Bending down, she scooped up the shivering kitten into her arms and cradled it gently. Cindy decided to name the kitten Gabby. She carried Gabby in her arms, feeling the fragile creature's heartbeat against her palm. The kitten's sneezing continued, and Cindy couldn't help but worry about her health. As Cindy arrived home, she created a cozy space for Gabby in a small, quiet corner of her apartment. She placed a soft blanket on the floor, provided fresh water, and set out a small bowl of kitten food. It was clear that Gabby had been starving for a while as she hungrily devoured the food Cindy had offered. Over the next few days, Cindy took Gabby to the veterinarian, who confirmed that she was about 4 months old. Gabby was indeed very sick, and Cindy's heart ached to see the tiny kitten struggling to breathe. The vet prescribed medication, and Cindy followed the treatment regimen diligently. Despite the uncertainty and sleepless nights spent caring for the ailing kitten, Cindy refused to give up on Gabby. She comforted the little kitten with soft words and gentle strokes, ensuring she felt loved and safe. As the days passed, Gabby's condition slowly improved. Her sneezing lessened, her eyes became clearer, and her appetite grew stronger. The once sickly kitten began to thrive. Her fur grew soft and shiny, and her playful spirit emerged. Gabby quickly gained the sympathy of the other purring residents of the apartment, Cindy's other cats. They accepted the little newcomer into their fold, grooming her and playing together. The suspense that had gripped Cindy throughout Gabby's recovery finally gave way to a heartwarming conclusion. The skinny, sneezing kitten she had found on the street had transformed into a vibrant and healthy member of her loving home.